environment is dying. We need a solution fast. If we don't devise a big old plan, it simply will not last. We don't want to freak anybody out. We don't want to make a scene. We'd rather sweep it under the mat, but instead we'll paint it green. Green, green, green. We'll paint it green. It doesn't really matter what it is or what it does or why it stings or what it means as long as it is green. Doesn't really matter what it burns or what it makes or what it kills or what it's for as long as it is green. Green, 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 green. Let's make it green. Politicians feed us crap, celebrities are the same. It's mostly about how green they are and who deserves the blame. How green you are is not how much you give. How loud you are is how you live. So know your greens and think a bit. Because you don't have to be green to be green.